Hello student, how are you? I am Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Today in this class, I will teach you the mathematical tools needed for the physics. The NEET student, those don't have a mathematics as a subject, this will help very much. Now, the students, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the IIT exam and NEET exam confidently with a good rank. Now let's start about the class. I will complete mathematics tool in three parts. First part is coordinate geometry and graph. Second part is indices and logarithm. Third part is differentiation and integration. So these three parts needed to complete the mathematical tool. In this class, I will teach you only coordinate geometry and some graphs. Okay. Now let's start about the class. First term is which is most used in the whole physics. This term is slope of a line. Slope or gradient, very much used in all over the physics class. This is the very much important terms. Slope also called gradient. Now what is slope of the line? Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now if a straight line is this and this straight line makes an angle theta with positive x-axis, this line makes an angle theta with positive x-axis, that is this. Now slope of the line is defined as tan of the angle theta. This is the definition of slope of the line. If a line makes an angle theta with positive direction, this is positive direction, makes angle theta, then tangent of this angle is called the slope. Okay. Now if suppose a line, this is x-axis and y-axis, suppose this angle is 45 degree. Now what is the slope of this line? Suppose this angle is 45 degree. So what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line will be tan of, we have to take this angle, this angle, because we define the angle which makes with positive direction of x-axis. So if this is 45 degree, then this angle will be 180 minus 45 degree, that is 135 degree. So slope is tan 135 degree, which is from trigonometry 2 into 90 minus 45 degree. This is the part of trigonometry. So trigonometry also required. So one class is required for trigonometry. Now this is tan minus 45 degree, that is minus 1. So this is the slope. Not slope is tan 45, that is 1. Now if the angle is 30 degrees, so we know slope equal to tan 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3. So we have to take always this angle with positive direction of x-axis. Now if this angle is 45 degree, then we have to take this angle, that is 135 degree. So tan 135 degree will be the slope of this line. Now suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. Now take 2 points. Take 2 points on the line. Suppose this is a point A whose coordinate is x1, y1. This is another point whose coordinate is x2, y2. Now we know what is x1, y1. This is x1, this is x1, and this is y1. And what is x2? This is x2, and this is y2. So now this and this and this, what is this? Suppose this is C. AC equal to, AC will be obviously x2 minus x1, and BC will be obviously y2 minus y1, because y2 means this, y2 is this, and y1 is this. So this is y2 minus y1. Now if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. Now what is tan theta? So slope of the line is tan theta. Now tan theta equal to, we know, perpendicular by base, BC by AC, BC by AC. So BC equal to, so what is the slope? Now if 2 points are given on the straight line, then slope is defined as difference of the y coordinate to the difference of x coordinate. Okay, this is the slope. So slope of the line is equal to tan theta, which is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is one formula where x1 y1 x2 y2 is 2 point on the line. 2 point on the line. Now equation of the straight line. So suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Equation of the straight x-axis, equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, because every y coordinate of all points on the x-axis is 0. Every y coordinate of the all points on the x-axis is 0. So equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, because every point, x coordinate of every point on the y-axis is 0. So equation is x equal to 0. Suppose let's say straight line is this, whose slope is given, and another point is given. So this is a line whose slope is m, and the line passes through the point x1 y1. So what is the equation? To find the equation, we need a general point x y. Always we express the equation in terms of general point x y. X y is variable. X y, the point P is here, or it may be here, it may be here. So this is a variable point, variable whose coordinate is x and y. X y can change, but this is a fixed point A. This coordinate is fixed, and this is a moving point. So now the slope of the line AP M, which is equal to, so this is another formula. If slope of line is given and a fixed point is given, the equation of the line will be this. This is point slope form. Straight line, a point is given 2, -3, and slope it make an 45 degree with x-axis. X-axis angle is 45 degree, point is 2, -3. What is the equation? So equation is y minus y1 m. What is m? X minus x1. So this is the equation. 2 points. Second, equation of line passing through 2 points. Suppose this is a line, 2 points is given, 2 points are given, and a variable point is xy. So we know that straight line means slope will be same. Slope between 2 points is, suppose slope between this point and this point, slope between this point and this point is, and slope between this and this. So this is the equation of the straight line, in which 2 points are given. So equation we can write in this way. Suppose example, suppose this is a point, this is another point, So find the equation of the straight line. Equation is y minus y1. Take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the equation. So this is the equation. Suppose this is a line whose slope is given m and which cuts a intercept of c from the y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Intercept c from the y-axis. So what is the equation? Take a general point xy and this point will be x, 0, y becomes c. Always take a variable point xy and another fixed point here 0 c. So equation will be y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to m. This is the slope between 2 points. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to slope is given m. So y minus c equal to this is the slope of the equation of the straight line whose slope and intercept is given. This form is called as point slope form. This equation is very much important because we have to determine the slope from this equation. Suppose equation of a straight line is suppose equation of a straight line is this. What is slope? Slope of line. What? Slope of line what? So we have to express this equation in this form. Y equal to here 3y equal to 9x minus 5, y equal to 3x. This now slope is the coefficient of x. So this is the slope. M, and this is the c. All this is the c. So here slope is and c equal to minus 5 by 3. So to find the slope of a line from the equation, we use this equation. So we express y in terms of x. We express y in terms of x. Then the coefficient of x will be the slope of the line. Intercepts form. Two intercepts form. Suppose this is x-axis, y-axis. A straight line is given here. So this intercept is a and this intercept is b. Now what is the coordinate of this point? This point will be a comma 0 and this point will be 0 comma b. Okay, here x coordinate is a, y coordinate 0, and here x coordinate 0, y coordinate is b. This. Now to find the equation, we take a variable point xy. Now slope of the slope between 2 points p and a, slope of pa equal to slope of ab. So from this we get y minus 0 by x minus a equal to b minus 0 by 0 minus a, multiply divide by ab, we get this. So this is the another equation of the straight line. This is called intercept form. Two intercept here, a and b are two intercepts, that is A is called x-intercept and B is called y-intercept. Suppose a line, equation of line is given. What is x-intercept and slope? So we have to express this equation in this form, then we can find the x-intercept. So right hand side should be 1, right hand side should be 1, so x by 4 plus 1. So this is the x-intercept, this is the x-intercept, and so x-intercept is 4. And what is the slope of the line? Now to find the slope we have to express y equal to mx plus c. So this is the slope. So this is the slope. We know distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Suppose distance between 2 points is this is the distance between 2 points. Next, if the equation of a line is given and coordinate of a point is given, suppose this is a point P whose coordinate is given x1 y1, and this is a straight line whose equation is this. Now what is the perpendicular distance of point to the line? What is the perpendicular distance of the point to the line? If distance, we ask to find the distance from the point to the line, then we mean that it is the perpendicular distance. It is the perpendicular distance. So what is the formula of perpendicular distance? Formula will be a into x1 this is very important formula to find the distance of the point to the line. Distance of the point to the line is given by this formula. Example, suppose this is a straight line and this is a point, arbitrary point 2, 3. So what is the distance? What is the perpendicular distance? So formula, this is the distance of P to N. What is the distance? Distance will be 3 into 2. So put this coordinate at this a x1. Here a is 3, b is 4, c is 12, and this is x1. x1 is this, y1 is this. So put here, you get the distance formula. 3 into a into x1. x1 means 2 plus 4 into y1. y1 means 3 plus 12 divided by root over a square plus b square. So this is the distance. Calculate this. This will be 5. Calculate this. This is the distance. Now equation of parabola. Equation of parabolas. Parabola are two types. If the coordinate here 0, parabola is like this way. Parabola, figure of this parabola is this. The definition is SP equal to PM. Suppose it is a fixed point which is called focus. Fixed point which is called focus, and P is a general point whose coordinate is xy, SP and PM. this is a directrix, a fixed line, the directrix. So definition is SP equal to PM. M is here. Definition is SP equal to PM. S is focus. This is called axis. This is called axis. A point is here which is called focus, and P is a moving point. So definition of parabola is SP equal to PM. Now just this is the in details in coordinate we study, but here just we have to know the equation. If curvature, that is this is opening, if opening is along the positive x axis, then y square equal to 4ax. This is the equation. If opening is along the positive x axis, then the equation of this will be y square equal to 4x. What is A? A is, this is called vertex. A is the distance between vertex to focus, that is A equal to CS. C is vertex and A is focus. Focus is a fixed point on the axis, and this line is called axis. Axis, what is the axis of the parabola? The line which divides the parabola into two equal parts, symmetrically. Axis which passes through the focus and vertex and divide the parabola into equal parts symmetrically. Symmetrical means this part and this part will be equal. This is the axis. So S is the point on the axis, CS is the A. So equation is this, y square equal to 4x. If 4a is k, then equation will be y square equal to kx. If suppose y square equal to 3x, what is the path of the parabola? Figure of the parabola will be this way. This is y square equal to 3x. Now if x square equal to ky, then figure will be this way. X square equal to ky, figure will be this way. That is, opening is along positive y axis. Opening of the, if x square equal to ky, opening of the parabola will be along positive y axis. Now if y square equal to minus kx, then opening will be, this is x axis, y axis, this y square equal to minus kx. Now if here negative is present, then opening will be along negative x axis, and if x square equal to minus ky, then opening will be along negative y axis. This is x square equal to minus ky. This equation is given by x square equal to minus ky. This equation x square equal to ky. This is y square equal to minus kx, and this is y square equal to kx. Y square equal to 4x will be this, y square equal to minus 4kx equal to this, x square equal to ky will be this, and x square equal to minus ky will be this. So this is the vertex. Vertex is not origin. Suppose this is x axis, y axis. So this, if this point is alpha beta, then what is the equation? Equation will be this, like this way. So just if y square equal to 4x, this is y square equal to 4x, this can be written as y minus 0 whole square equal to 4ax minus 0. This can be written as this. Now if the vertex is at the point alpha beta, then equation will be like this. Just put alpha beta in this place. This is alpha and this is beta. So we get this equation as in this form. If vertex is 0 0, then equation is y square equal to 4x. We can write it as y minus 0 whole square equal to x minus 0. This. And if the vertex is alpha beta, then put here alpha in place of 0, beta in place of 0. So we get this. a equation of parabola is given like this way. Suppose this is the equation of parabola. What is the figure of this parabola? First we select the vertex. What is the vertex? Vertex coordinate is 2, 3. This is the vertex. So plot the point 2, 3. Suppose this is 2. So this is the vertex. Now curvature opening will be along the positive x-axis. So this is the figure of the parabola of this equation. This is the figure of the parabola given by the equation this. First select vertex 2, 3. This is the vertex and this is positive. So opening will be along the positive x-axis. So this is the figure of the parabola given by the equation this. Next, if it is given that minus 8, if it is given that it is minus 8, then the opening will be along the negative axis. So this is this. Now the figure will be this. Similarly, if equation is in this form, so this is x-axis, y-axis, alpha, beta. Suppose here, if this is positive, then opening will be along positive y-axis. This is the vertex and the opening will be this. So this is the equation. So this is the figure of this parabola given by this equation this. Now if the equation is this, now this is the path of the parabola given by this equation this, because here negative is present, so opening will be along negative y-axis, If the equation is y equal to, suppose, so what is the figure of the parabola? We know if the coefficient of x square is negative, opening will be along negative y-axis. And first we select the vertex. We have to express in terms of this, but this is long process, so we don't have to find the vertex here. One method is present. First, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. First, where the curve cuts the x-axis, find that point, that is so 2 point the curve cuts. One point is 0 and another point is a by b. So this is the figure of the parabola given by this equation, because negative sign is present before the x square, so opening will be along the negative y-axis and the curve passes through the 2 points. One is origin, another is a by b. We first find the point where the curve crosses the x-axis. To this x-axis, equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, so we find the 2 points where the curve passes through the x-axis. Now find that point, that one is origin, another is a by b. Now curvature or opening will be along negative y-axis. Now if it is given that y equal to x plus bx square, then because x square here coefficient is positive, so the curvature will be along positive x-axis and it passing through the 2 points, this and this. So you get here this or this, or it may be this or this, it may be this or this. Y equal to this. So here 0 equal to, so x equal to 0 and minus half, so 0 minus half, so path will be this. Opening will be positive along positive x-axis because here positive is present, and the curve passing through the 2 points 0 and minus half, 0 and minus half. So this is the equation of, this is the path of the parabola, passes through the origin. This is y equal to mx. If y equal to minus mx given, then this is the rough straight line, rough figure of the straight line. Y equal to mx form the straight line passing through the origin, and it passes through first coordinate and third coordinate. If it is here negative, then the straight line passes through the origin, and it passes along second quadrant and fourth quadrant. X equal to suppose 3. So what is the equation path of the line? 3 means 1, 2, 3. So this is the line of x equal to 3. This is y axis, this is x axis, and if x equal to, suppose if y equal to suppose minus 2, so what is the straight line? Minus 2 means this, so this is the straight line. This is the equation of parabola. This is the equation of ellipse. Here A is this and B is this. This is called major axis. This is minor axis. This is the equation of hyperbola. Figure will be this. Two parabola. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. A dashed. This length A dashed. A dashed is 2a. This is 2a, and this imaginary point on the y-axis, this length is b. So this length is a, and this length is b. This is the hyperbola, equation of hyperbola is this, and figure of the hyperbola is this. This is actually, this is the hyperbola path of the hyperbola. This. Suppose y equal to minus x plus 3. So here slope is minus 1, or you have to draw the straight line. First you write the equation in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1 in this form. So this will be this. So this is 3 and this is 3. So straight line passing through 2 points, this point and this point. So this is the straight line. This straight line equation is x plus y equal to 3. If it is given, suppose 2y minus x equal to 4, to draw the straight line you have to express in this form. So this will be here 2 and -4. This is -4, -4, and this is 2. So the straight line passing through the 2 points. So this is the equation. This is the straight line given by the equation this. So to draw the straight line, you have to express the equation in this form. Then select A and B. This is A, this is B. That is, this is B, this is A. A is along negative x-axis and Y, that is 2, is along this axis. So draw the straight line passing through 2 points. Student, this is the end of the class.